Hello everyone, today we have our very first video. It is a light chicken stew and it is a dish from Indian inspiration. A lot of nice smells, a lot of nice spices. It will surely fill your palate with lots of joy. This dish is quite simple, it is very easy to do and you can do it every day in your own kitchen. Alright, so for this recipe we have some diced onion, some grated garlic and grated ginger. Okay, we will also need some tomato and the chicken, of course. If you like chilies, you can put chilies, stronger or weaker, how you want. We are using green chilies here because they're not that strong and they will give you a very nice aroma. Of course, we also have chicken. This is a rather small chicken. If you ask at your local butcher, ask for a smaller chicken and ask them to break it into small pieces if possible. However, if you have to keep in mind that they cannot be too small because the bones of the chicken, if they break too much, they can be dangerous. Alright, so always keep that in mind. If you have small children at home, maybe you want to keep the bones intact so that they don't swallow pieces of bone, which can be quite dangerous. Alright, so this is just advice. Now we have our diced tomato, as you can see, and finally we also have potato cut in pieces. We recommend that you cut the potato and put the potato into water before you proceed with the cooking.
For this recipe, onion needs to be fried in golden. As you can see, the onion color, the color of the onions changed already. It becomes little golden. Now it's the time to add your ginger garlic paste. Ginger and garlic together. Put and stir a little bit with this. Now comes to the spices. This is the beauty of Indian cooking. This is turmeric powder. It looks like yellow saffron, but it's turmeric powder. It's coriander powder, cumin powder. This is really hot pepper, red chili powder, and this is the main thing. It's chicken curry masala. I'm using from MDH. You can use any curry masala you like, but the curry masala is available in the European shops. It's not good. It's little bitter. I tasted already. That curry is not really good for cooking chicken curry. Any Asian shop you can, these masalas are available. Now we are going to add tomatoes. Now I'm going to add the masala. Turmeric, coriander, cumin. This is really hot, so I'm putting a little bit. If you want more, more. I put chili powder little because in this chicken curry masala we have already some chili. Add the chicken. The water we will add later when the masala doesn't have the raw smell. If you add now the water, your jhol will become raw smell of the masala. Salt.
Well, I wish you guys could smell this because the smell is just amazing. I'm salivating already.
How you will understand the masalas are ready when you will see your oil comes one side and the masala goes another. This is the time what I was saying before. You can see the oil is the one side where the masala gets other side. So this is the time you understand you need to give water. So I'm going to add water. If you can add warm water little bit, it would be good. But here I'm just using normal water.
So this water gives it the name, Jhol.
Jhol.
So now it's convenient to taste the salt on this. Okay. It's good. It's good to have a little garden at your home. Get some seeds, coriander, basil and other nice herbs, because herbs are really a gift of nature, and you can replace a lot of salt with herbs. Alright. Also, I'd like to highlight this. See this mess here? Yeah, it's proof that this is actually a home and it's not a cooking show, you know, so these things happen. And we will have to clean, of course. But what matters is that the food looks wonderful, at least in my eyes. Serve this with some freshly boiled basmati. Like we said before, the quality of the rice is everything, and it really makes a difference. If you go to your local Asian shop, you will find a much higher quality basmati than what you usually find in the supermarket. Now all that's left is a slice of lemon for decoration, and there you go, Murgir Jhol Aloo Diye, which is light chicken curry with potato. So hope you enjoy, and as always, if you like the video, make sure to drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. Maybe drop us a comment down below if you have some ideas of recipes for us to make, or some ideas for us to improve our food. We are foodies just like you, so we enjoy all input you can give us. Thank you.